Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can download the Clipchamp on your PC. So let's get started. First of all, what we have to do? Simply we have to go to the Google Chrome, and after going to the Google Chrome, we have to write the Clipchamp here. So I'm going to write this, and then we have to press the enter. And after pressing the enter, as you can see now, these all options are provided here. You can write the Clipchamp download here. So simply whatever you want. For example, we are going to write the Clipchamp download. So as you can see now, simply we have to click on this. I'm going to open this link here, and after that, as you can see, these all options are provided here. For downloading this, simply what we have to do, simply we have to click on the try for free, or you can also click on the sign in, and then you have to provide your details, and after that you can download this, you can use this. So as you can see now, simply we just have to sign in this, and after that we will be able to use this. So in this way you can download the Clipchamp, and in this way you can use it for your PC. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you in the next video.